Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. Today I will show you how to unfollow all Instagram followings on your account. Sometimes we have boring Instagram newsfeed. Because of our followings, we can unfollow our Insta followings one by one. But this time I have a way. Unfollow all at once. This is the Instagram account. I am gonna remove my followings. You can see I have 5,986 followings. To this process, remove Instagram followings. We need one more app. To download this app, open App Store and search InstaClean. The first one, Cleaner for Ins, download the app. This is not sponsor video. I am not getting any responsibility of this app. However, after download the app, open it. Then we should log into the app using our Instagram account username and password. When I complete the step, we can see like this interface. This is my followings. Click the store to see options. In my account, I have 126 operations. Then I can remove 126 followings. We can get free operations from daily check-in. But if you wish to clean your Instagram account, removing all followings, best tips is purchase this app for $2.99. We can remove custom number of followings using setting. This is the daily check and free operations. So let's see how to use this. Check again my Instagram followings. It's 5,986 followings. Let me refresh, there is no any change. Click Followings. Select Quick Setting. Then select All. Then it auto-select 50 followings. If you have unlimited operations, you can load all at once. Now 50 selected. Click Action. And unfollow all. It takes some time. We can check is it removing or not our followings. When we refresh, here we go. It reduced 50 followings. Let's try again it. Here. It reduced one more 50 followings. So we can remove all followings now. So this is the tutorial. Please give a comment. Is it work or not? Thank you. See you again.